If your business already runs on SAP Business One, but you're still exporting data to Excel to build your reports, then this video is for you. Manufacturing, trading, distribution, and FMCG companies are growing fast globally. But manual reporting is slowing that growth. Reports take days to prepare. There's no real-time visibility into SAP data. Consolidating multiple companies means hours of manual Excel work. EasyReports connects directly to SAP Business One, giving you real, ready-to-use financial reports, complete general ledger tracking, inventory and item-level insight, and full sales and purchase visibility, all built for multi-company consolidation by default. Every report runs live against your SAP data. No waiting for a refresh. Build your own reports in minutes. Drag, drop, done. And with on-premise, your data stays fully in your control. 15 years of reporting expertise. 1,000 plus users. Book your free demo with EasyReports now.